foam cannon. What do you need to do to maintain this thing? Hi, I'm Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. Thank you for being here. A little different type of video. We're in the living room and it's about midnight, so I haven't been able to sleep. Figured I'd do a tutorial on something that I've seen some questions on, some others I've seen have some problems with, and where this can help out. So anyways, tools you'll need: probably some brushes, flathead, Phillips head, pliers, crescent wrench, and I would have grabbed CLR. We didn't have any more, just something, maybe some vinegar, whatever. So we're gonna get right into this. Hopefully y'all are having a great day. Let me get this stuff out of here. This is definitely a different setup for me. You like my 1970s shop towel that I got? Okay, so first things first, we're gonna take the bottle out. We will remove, I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit more. We're gonna remove the hose right here. Let me pull that off, set that to the side. While we're waiting, I'm gonna shake this up a little bit and just I have two bowls of water right here. Maybe not the best thing, it does say shake well, but I'm making it work right now. My wife probably would kill me if she knew I was in the living room using this stuff, but whatever. I'm just gonna put it in there. Excuse me. Okay, so we got our hose. All right, the next thing you're gonna do is take something, pry this pin out right here that controls the fan spread. All right, so we got our pin, set that to the side. And then next we are going to take the plastic thing off, the fitting. All right, so take that off, put that to the side. All right, and this is where we're at right now. So next thing I'll do is I'll take a Phillips head, I'll take the adjustment knob off. I'll probably set this to the side when I'm done. All right, pull that off. Okay, so now we're here. So what's next? I don't think it really matters. If you want to go left to right, that's fine with me. For sake of ease, we'll just go left to right, and then we'll take the connecting off right here. And I'll just try to show y'all what it looks like right now. And mine, I try to clean mine about every month, and I always try to rinse my foam cannons out. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in our handy dandy little bucket of solution. All right, and then if you look in here, we have our Orifice. Okay, I did change this out. It's stainless steel. I'll put the links below where you can get these. So how you get this out is, I'm sorry, I'm trying to make sure I get y'all a good. So how you get this out is you just put your flathead in there and you bust it loose. All right, pretty simple, and it'll plop right out. All right, so there you go. Man, excuse me, my allergies are killing me. So here's our Orifice right there, and then now you can see, no, there, kind of got some buildup in there. All right, so this is where I think cleaning comes into play. All right, so we got that out. Next thing you can do, take this. This controls the flow of how much soap is coming in and out. So you twist that off, and you're going to use a crescent wrench for this, but I did try to make this a little bit faster. So I loosened up everything before we started the video. So you're going to take a crescent wrench, pop that off, and I'm going to show you the inside of this. All right, so here we go. Y'all can see it's pretty nasty. Okay. So this is why I think it's important to clean these. This is a great foam cannon too, because this is like a 25 bucks. I'll put a link for it. I don't get paid anything, sorry. I'm trying to learn there we go. You can see it's it gets built up in there, okay? So next thing you do is I don't really take the fan blades off. I normally just don't even worry about it. So we got that top off. And then you can take a 10 millimeter on the bottom right here with your ratchet. And you can pop that off. This one's a 10 millimeter. I don't need it because I already loosened it, so I'll just show you really quick. twist it off. So this comes off, and you can see it's pretty pretty filthy, right? I'm telling you, left, right, and stuff, when you're looking at the screen, it's completely different. So pretty nasty, right? Get a lot of buildup in here. Put that in there. Excuse me. Then I'll just go right here and we'll twist this off. Now when you twist this off, this is where the stainless steel, and this is pretty much where the foam is produced, if you will. And this little piece right in here, the stainless steel mesh, like I said, I'll put a link in the description. The stainless steel mesh is notorious for getting clogged. So what I did is I just put an Allen key in there and I pushed it out. Okay, and on this one, I think you can see, whoa, sorry, there is some corrosion on it. Yeah, there you go. So there's a little corrosion on it. These can get gunked up really quick, especially if you're pushing harder chemicals instead of soap. Yeah, anything other than a pH neutral soap, you're this is gonna get a lot of buildup. All right, so there, and then I'll take that and I'll show you all in here. Pretty nasty. All right, you can see all the buildup in there. Okay, so there's that. So that's done. Don't ask me what the nomenclature in this stuff is. I'm sorry, it's not my forte on that stuff. I just know I'm good at taking stuff apart and putting it back together, just like I saw it. So we'll take this off, seal the O-rings. So keep that. Make a note of that. These O-rings, you got 1, 2, 3, you got 4 O-rings just in there. Okay, and you can see the buildup. This is why I think it's important to clean it again. There's plenty of buildup. There's plenty of junk, and just hard water probably. That's another reason it's good to clean it out. So yeah, you can see why we're doing this. Yeah, right there. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's brass, but yeah. Okay, so you can take it down even further. Okay, you can unscrew this, and this is about as far as I will go. Okay, so you take that all down. Let you guys get a good look at that. Pretty nasty. And there we go. Here's this one. Whoop. Yeah, it's all pretty gross. Okay, so we have it dunked in our solution. I'm gonna take some bristle brushes really quick, and then I got a separate one over here. Yeah, I got red and blue. Got all the patriotic colors rocking tonight. So hold on one second while I zoom out really quick, and we'll just knock these out really quick. I don't know. I'm not gonna waste y'all's time at all. I just figured it would be a good idea. Let me get them clean really quick, or bust some gunk off of them while I make a video on it too. So I never really had anybody show me. Kind of figured this on my own. I didn't even do a Google search for any. There's some different videos out there. Some of them kind of confuse me, but I'm trying to keep this one a little bit more simple. So, and we'll put it back together relatively quick. All right, so there we go. So, oh man, it's amazing what hard water can do to these parts, and how it can actually just cause your foam cannon not to really run right. So, and O-rings are always important to have on hand. I always buy a box and then I just keep it on hand in case I need to swap it out or something like that. So I think this thing is gonna look already a million times better. All right. And these are easy to replace. Sometimes I think it's just if you can't get them clean, just pay the $3 or whatever, and get them clean. Get you a wire brush, get in there however you want. I'm just gonna go over it really quick and clean that, dump it in there. I think we just got 2 more parts. And yeah, I'm not going for perfection. I feel like I'm wasting y'all's time, so here we go. All right, got all the parts out. Okay, there. Move this out of the way, and then we'll just set them down. Let them bring them out really quick, and then I'll put this together. I'm not gonna take any more of y'all's time. I want this to be simple and quick, so y'all can see, hey, you know, just dunked it in the solution, and it has already drastically helped us out. I'm gonna put it together right here. Okay, so here we go. We got all of our pieces right here, and we're gonna start putting this thing together. Got it. All right, so where do we want to start? This is probably like the main little centerpiece or whatever. I don't know the nomenclature on it. So we're just going to put this one and this one right here. Screw that together. And you can feel it even when you clean it. It responds really good to being put together. Take this one. This is for the fitting for the hose. Put this in the bottom. And then tighten that down. This one's a 10 millimeter. I know it because I took it off. So take your 10 millimeter ratchet and just tighten it on. Alright. There you go. Alright. So boom. And we'll wait till then to do that. And then tighten that one. Okay. So we're good on that. Then we're going to take our orifice. We're going to drop it. Hold on, let me zoom in. Take our orifice. And we're going to take our orifice and drop it in there. And we'll fasten it in there really quick. Once it's seated. There we go. So once it's secured in there, we will put this right in here. Put that together like so. All right, so tighten that down. I zoom out. I'm working on it. Sorry about the bump. Okay, so we got that. Let's not forget about our mesh thing. Okay, so that could be easy to forget. Take this part right here and screw it together. All right. Once that's together, we're going to take our wire mesh and put it down in there. I don't think there's really a set way to push it in there. Just here, let's use the 10. Let's use this. Yep, there. Bottom of the ratchet worked. Ta-da. Okay, so it's in there, all nice and secure. Attach this to that. And then make sure your fan blades are straight. I know it's not perfect, but not going to waste any more time. Then you're going to take the adjustment for the flow and you're going to screw it on like that. And then you will need your crescent wrench to put it back on. And then we're going to take the adjustment knob and find the, yep, do that. Put our Phillips head back on. And here we go. Screw that on really quick. And when we're done with that, we'll put the plastic nozzle all the way back on. And we'll be done. Probably could have used a drill, but I didn't want to be loud and wake the kids up. Alright, line this sucker up. Just go with it. Yep, make sure we're lined up. And then press it on there. Boom. Put your pin in, and you're good. Alright. There's that. There's the hose. And then you got yourself one clean, one awesome, ready to go foam cannon. So hope this helps y'all out. I seen a lot of questions. If you do this and you rinse it out regularly, that's the reason I like this, because it has a counterweight. This one was 25 bucks. But if you take care of it, maintain it, clean it like once a month, bust out the grease and grime, watch your O-rings and hard water buildup and all that stuff, this thing will keep lasting. I have 3 of these, but I've had this one for 2 years and it's still going. So you don't need a $100 foam cannon to operate. So anyways, I love y'all. Y'all take it easy. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a great night. I'll talk to you later. Keep it simple. Bye.